Namaste. Today we are going to do Vrikshasana, one of the most beneficial yoga postures. Start with your feet 2 inches apart. Focus on a point in front of you. First, move the right leg up and place the foot on the inner side of your left thigh. Inhale and extend the arms up and join the palms together in Namaskara Mudra. Maintain this posture as far as possible with normal breathing. Exhale, slowly release your hands and come back to the starting position. And repeat on the other side. This asana is a combination of strength and stability. Avoid doing this posture if you are suffering from migraine, insomnia, high or low blood pressure. Thank you.